You don't see us giving Plunger a rub down, protecting the brand. He's a beautiful animal. Sweeping the floors, making everything spick and span. And checking on all of our high pressure water drain cleaning equipment to see that it's in tip-top condition. We've got drain cleaning equipment for every situation. You won't see us reviewing the inside of your sewerage pipes to find out precisely what's going on. And you won't see us working on some entertaining and educational blog posts, our specialty. Here's an interesting one. Cow gets stuck in sewer manhole. That's one of my favourites. We bring all sorts of parts to fix your taps and toilets. And what we don't have, we'll get pretty quickly. And you won't see me stacking mountains of toilet paper just in case you need it. We bring loads of equipment to the job just for you. And when we show up at your place, you won't know that we've come from our headquarters here in Melody Street in Coogee. So if you're going by, we're just off Coogee Bay Road, come and say good day.